Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So hold down the volume down and power button together until the screen turn off. This step ensures the device is completely power off and ready for the reset process. Okay, and after this process you need once the screen is off, press and hold power and volume up button together. Release the power key when Samsung logo appears, but continue holding the volume up key until the recovery mode menu is displaying. Okay, this action will take you to the recovery mode menu. Okay, and after this action you will go on your recovery mode menu. Use the volume button to scroll to wipe data factory reset and the press power button to confirm. This step begins the process of erasing all data on your device and restoring it to factory settings. And after this you need to use the volume button to highlight the yes option and confirmation screen and press the power button to select it. This action will delete all data on your device, so ensure you to backup any important files before proceeding. Okay, so here when you select the next button, then reset process is complete. The recovery mode menu will appear. Use the power button to select reboot system now. Your device will start and reboot up as if you were new with all previous data removed. Okay, this step complete the process, ensuring your phone is restored to its original setting. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.